It comes really well packaged, excellent foam here. I am putting this on the PPF section. I know some of you are gonna panic, have heart attacks. I took it out already, and the reason I did that is before its first use, you are gonna wanna make sure you charge this thing all the way. It did charge, took a little bit of time, wasn't too much. There's a power button, you hold it for a minute and a second, for 1.5 seconds. It'll charge on, tells you its battery life. You can set how many PSI you want your tire to go to, and it will automatically do that. That's the really nice thing. Now this can also be used for bikes, motorcycles, truck tires, even balls if you have sports like basketballs, footballs, or soccer balls. So this could be really helpful on the go. It's not exceptionally heavy, it's relatively compact.